Let us understand how to integrate Matplotlib visualization library of Python and use it within Zeppelin. Within Python, we have visualization library called Matplotlib. Matplotlib provides a huge set of visualization. Simple example, within its index, we have a huge collection of visualization. With various data, whatever the visualization that we want, we can do the visualization using Matplotlib. And Matplotlib library can be installed using the conda, using the command conda install -c. It is part of conda forge repository. We can say Matplotlib, and the Matplotlib library would get installed, and this needs to be installed in the server where we have the Zeppelin running. Let us see a small demo. I'm going to bind the Python interpreter and import the Matplotlib. I'm going to create a small data set, and I'm going to convert this into a figure and plot it. So I'll be in a position to get the visualization very simple and easy. The same way I can do different type of visualization. I have selected a sample as a part of Matplotlib sample, which is going to provide me a visualization of a scatter graph. I'm going to generate random numbers, 1000 random numbers. I'm going to plot that in a two-dimensional graph with x and y value, and I'll be creating a histogram. So what we can do, we can get any data either from a database or from any other data source after doing the processing with the different processing environment like Pig or with the Spark. Once if I have the data set, I can use the data set, bring it into the visualization library within Python interpreter. I can bind it and I can use the Matplotlib and visualize the data. This is going to be a very powerful tool to visualize any type of data. Going over each and every way of plotting the image within Matplotlib is not the scope of Zeppelin. This is just a small demo on how we can use the Matplotlib library within the Python interpreter of Zeppelin.